How to use Transcribe or Translate feature in ShareLook webinar. Go to my workshop, click on the Create a Live Event and enter all the required details. At the bottom left corner, turn on Transcribe and select the language in which you want your text to appear. Publish the webinar. Throughout the webinar, the system will record and transcribe your voice into text, which will be available through the media library. To access the text file, click on the media library. It will be listed as a text file with a title matching the title of your webinar. When in the media library, you can share this text file with specific users, make it available to the whole organization, or even download it. If you want to download the file, click on the download icon. The text obtained through transcription of the webinar can also be used in creating courses on ShareLook in the form of text or audio. On the page of the lesson where you want to add this text as text on the text icon. This will take you to the text editor. Click on Import Text from the media library. Select the text file you want to insert, click on Insert. This presents a text editor and the text from the webinar transcription from which you can select the text you want to use for your lesson. Select the text you want from the imported text, paste it on the text box on the left and click Insert to insert it to the page. Upon clicking Insert, the text is inserted into the page. If you want to create an audio file from this text, click on the audio icon, then Create. On the next page, click on Import Text from the media library. This will take you to the media library, and once you select the text that you want to insert, it automatically appears in a text box on the right side of the screen. Select, cut, or copy the text you need from this text box for making your audio and paste it in the text box on the left. After you are done, click on the X sign to close the text box on the right to allow you to select the language and voice in which you want your audio. Select the preferred language and voice for the audio and click Create. There are more than 50 languages and a variety of more than 400 voices you can select to translate your text. Click Create to insert the audio to your page. Now, to translate the text, click on the text icon and import the transcribed text from the media library. Copy or cut and paste the text you want to translate from the text box on the right, containing the transcribed text. On the Translate to drop-down menu, select the language that you want to translate your text. Click on your preferred language and wait for the system to translate your text. Once the system has finished translating your text, click Insert to insert it to the page. To translate the text for audio, click on the audio icon, then click Create and import text from the media library. Copy or cut and paste text from the text box on the right to the audio creation text box on the left. On the Translate to drop-down list, select and click your preferred language and wait for the system to translate your text. Once the text is translated, close the text box on the right, click on the matching language for the audio, select your preferred voice, and click Create. After the audio is created, click Create, then click Insert to insert the audio to the page.